Hey everyone, I'm Lauren from Pic-Time, and today I'm so excited to show you our revamped gallery and shop experience in our new Pic-Time 2.0. The entire client journey has been redesigned to feel more engaging and intuitive, with a new selection flow that helps users quickly take action to get up and running. The process feels natural and focused, allowing them to shop, share, download, and save. Clients can now save their selections into collections, grouping photos for different purposes. They might create one collection for sharing with family, one for prints, or another one for posting on social media. Pic-Time 2.0 also makes it even easier for clients to find the photos that they're looking for. With our AI search feature, clients can search using faces and keywords at the same time, quickly filtering the images they want. From the gallery, clients can seamlessly enter the shop, either through a specific collection or from the main navigation. The shop continues the editorial feel of the gallery with beautiful visuals and updated interface, and products are presented with the client's most engaged photos inside. Clicking on any print product opens a delightful presentation with vivid images and videos. And the dynamic product preview helps your clients imagine how these products will look in real life with realistic scale, paper types, frame colors, and more. Here they can also learn more about the product and its shipping time. And this gives clients confidence in their choices and helps them move forward with their order. Now, when it's time to personalize the product, clients can select photos and then enter the redesigned product editor. This new editor features a clean interface that makes customization simple and intuitive. Clients can easily add or replace photos from their side gallery with the option to use the AI search tool or browse their own collections. They can change the print or frame size, orientation, border, paper type, finish, frame color. They can crop the images, of course, and more, all depending on their selected print product. The cart page has also been updated for a smoother checkout. And of course, everything in Pic-Time 2.0 is designed to work just as smoothly on mobile, no compromise. From the gallery to the shop, every detail has been elevated to create a high-end, immersive experience for your clients, opening more opportunities for you as a photographer to grow your print sales.